Hey guys, I am back, and I'm gonna do a quick washing machine video. So, what I just did today, so the kitchen mower was right here, and this one was right here. So, the reason why I flipped them is because of the lids. When this was over here, the lid would open like this, and there would just be this big thing in the middle. So what I did was I basically flipped the machines over, and yeah. So I need some help with something. So my friend is giving me a Kenmore direct drive washer, and I don't know what to do when I get it. I have two choices: keep this washer and sell that other direct drive, or sell this one and keep the second direct drive. Or so comment down below. Comment down below the number 1 for me to sell this one and keep the other direct drive. Comment down below the number 2 to keep this one and sell the other direct drive. So I need help that's how I need help choosing. So type number 1 for me to keep the other direct drive, or type to comment down below number 2 for me to keep this washer. So yeah, it's a quick video. And if more votes get the direct drive washer, if more votes is number 1, which is selling this one, it wouldn't come with this glass lid, because that lid it's not the right size. It fits on there, but not like, as you see, there's, let me put this down here. See, look. So, yeah. And this is the traditional lid. And yeah, and this big barrel thing came from the Maytag Bravo. So I'm actually not going to sell the Maytag, because because the suspension rods, it would start shaking easily. I mean, like, it would start shaking violently, real easily. So see, the Bravos is nowhere to be found. I scrapped the Bravos. And yeah, I still have the parts from it, like the lid lock. I do the control console's right here. So my plan to do with the Bravos is sell the parts. This is the lid from the Bravos. And yeah. Oh wait. Stuff like the motor and stuff is right in there. I'm gonna be selling on eBay. It's a Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Hi, oh my goodness. You're such a good girl, Daisy. Alright, we are entering my room now. And then there's a part from the Bravos that's up here. Spin drum with a wash plate in it. Here, let me turn this light. There. This massive this fatso is heavy. Massive fat drum is heavy. I literally lugged it, and I literally rolled it instead of carried it. That thing was so heavy. So yeah. And I have this room. Gotta clean up a little bit. There's another spin drum. There's my black agitator. I got a Speed Queen agitator. Couple wash plates there. What else should I show? This room is this is like the hottest room in the house. So yeah. So yeah, just comment down the number 1 for me to sell the high efficiency washer and keep the direct drive. Comment down number 2 for me to keep the high efficiency and sell the direct drive. So yeah, this will be it for the video. I have nothing else to talk about. So yeah, I have nothing else to talk about. Probably should hold it up here like this. Yeah, this will be the end of the video. I'll see you later. Bye.